Okay, so I am here in Home Depot and I noticed that they have this marble tile and $13.98. It actually feels like real marble. But it's stick. We're gonna get some of this and see what we can do with it. Okay guys, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and like the video. So this is the marble tile that I just purchased at Home Depot. Yes, it is real marble. I'm going to demonstrate using this picture frame from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to disassemble the picture frame and take out all of the inside pieces. When trying to record this video using my large picture frame that's actually done with the project, it was entirely too large to place in the camera frame, so I'm using this smaller picture frame for this demonstration. As you may know, marble is a very soft tile that you can actually break with your hands. Instead of breaking the tile in order to complete this project, I'm going to use my handheld tile cutters to ensure that I have very smooth cuts with each piece of tile. Okay guys, so I'm putting in the last piece of marble for a complete marble mat for my picture frame. This segment is going to focus on the painted design. I found this tool at Dollar Tree and it actually came in a toothbrush set. I'm going to use this tool to remove the design in order to create a stencil for the painting. I have attached the stencil to a piece of MDF board that will be the centerpiece of the picture frame. painting with stencils, I'll end up with a little bit of bleed through underneath the stencil. I like to use caulking on the inside of the stencil so that I can have a crisp paint line whenever I remove the stencil. I purposefully did not use the caulk when I layered the design. I wanted you to see the bleeding that can occur whenever you paint with stencils. I'm going to take just a few seconds and clean up the design. So now I'm going to attach the piece of wood to my picture frame. So I'm attaching this with some regular hot glue. I'm just going to put hot glue on all four corners. The base that you see that is white with the navy trim is actually a piece of cardboard that I use for the backing instead of glass, trying to make this picture frame as light as possible. Here is the finished product hung up in the master bedroom.